Welcome everyone to my channel. Just make it simple. Magamit ng mga simple words in terms for the sake of my students. Right now, in this topic, we are dealing with Charles' Law in this session. Charles' Law states that the volume of a given quantity of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature when pressure is constant. There is a direct relationship between volume and temperature, meaning the higher the temperature, it leads to a greater volume of a gas, as long as the pressure is constant. The equation that we're going to use for Charles' Law is V sub 1 over T sub 1 equals V sub 2 over T sub 2. Nagamit tag symbol ha nga letters, nya capital letters sila tanan. Letter V nga capital for volume, letter T nga capital for temperature. Be strict in following the writing of chemical equations or in writing the symbol for the equations. Kung capital letter V na, pagsuot ninyo sa capital letter V, ayaw igamay. Kung capital letter T na, also write it in capital letter. Do you follow? Now, what does subscript 1 and 2 means? So, 1 means initial. 2 means final. So, V sub 1 is initial volume. V sub 2 is final volume. T sub 1, initial temperature. T sub 2 is final temperature. Now, using this equation, ang temperature, by the way, has to be converted into Kelvin. So, from degrees Celsius, you convert your Celsius to Kelvin by adding 273.15. For the sake of simplicity to my students, atong gamiton 273 lang. That's our agreement. So, add na kag 273 to the temperature. So, given, for example, initial volume of a gas is 2 liters. The final volume of a gas is around 4 liters. Its initial temperature, 20 degrees Celsius. What will be its final temperature? Solution, start with the formula for Charles' Law. Nganong Charles' Law gamiton kay naa siya volume and temperature relationship. Puros volume og temperature ang gihatag sa problem. Now, we're looking for the T sub 2. There are two ways. You can start with the formula. Magsugod ka sa formula. I-derive nimo. For example, kana ang formula no, looking for T sub 2. What are you going to do? Use simply multiply, cross multiply. Pag mag-cross multiply ka, you can put them together. Pwede ka na siya diri sa left, kato to sa right. Or, to make it simple, ang imo unknown, ibutang na lang sa left. Together with its, sa may tapad niya nga quantity kung nag-cross multiply ka na. Now, you have V sub 1, T sub 2 equals V sub 2, T sub 1. Actually, kanya sila, pwede na sila mag-switch of places. Okay, ila product will still be the same. Mga nakag 2 times 3, for example, is equal to 3 times 2, diba? So, di mo matter ang ihang product. Saan pang kabayloy na sila o place? Kana si V sub 2, T sub 2. As long as nagtapad ng imong mga quantities nga imong i-cross multiply. So, V sub 1 o T sub 2 equals V sub 2, T sub 1. Now, kisa itong ipangita, we're looking for the T sub 2. So, divide both sides by the quantity beside your unknown. Kasi imo unknown T sub 2. Kinsa iya tapad V sub 1. Meaning, divide both by V sub 1. Both sides of the equation ha. When you divide on the left side of the equation, also divide the same on the right side. Then, numerator naman si V sub 1 o denominator si V sub 1, cancel that 1. V sub 1 divided by V sub 1 equals 1 naman na. 1 times T sub 2 is T sub 2 itself. Equals, copy ni mo ang whole na nabilin sub 2 T sub 1 over V sub 1. This is our formula in finding the final temperature. Final temperature equals the product of the final volume multiplied by initial temperature divided by the initial volume. So, pwede ka diya mag-start sa formula. Another way is ay mo gidari mo formula na ni final temperature. Pwede pud ka mo actually mo start sa formula niya, substitute na lang ka diretso. Pakita lang. Pero ang imong degree Celsius i-convert na ha into Kelvin. For the sake of my students, ako ra sila gi-kon nga 273 ang i-add ani. And the answer will be 20 plus 273 is 293 Kelvin na. Pero ang actual nga conversion factor for Celsius to Kelvin is 273.15. For the sake of simplicity, whole number akong gipagamit. I will let my students use the whole number, 273 lang. Depende ra gud na niya, it's upon your teacher, on your agreement, as long as you will follow the rules. Now, kung mag-start ka with the formula in finding for the unknown, simply substitute your formula with the given quantities. What is your V sub 1? 2 liters. What is your T sub 1? You will now use the one with the Kelvin scale or Kelvin nga unit. That's 293 Kelvin equals, what's your final volume? 2 liters. What is the initial final temperature? So wala, just copy that one. Looking for the final temperature, we have to cross multiply. 2 times T sub 2, that's 2 liter multiplied by T sub 2 equals 2 liters and 293 Kelvin. Okay, now finding for T sub 2, we have to divide both by the quantity beside ni T sub 2. Mamuning ano na to, T sub 2. So to cancel that out, niyang tapad, divide both by 2 liters. Cancel out 2 liters since it's found on the numerator and denominator side. Ato pa, final temperature equals the we still have to cancel out 2 liters in the numerator sa denominator side. Nakabili na lang si 293 Kelvin. Therefore, the final temperature equals 293 Kelvin. Siya naman nakabilin on the right side of the equation. This is now our final answer. Final temperature equals 293 Kelvin. Ano 293 to siya? 293 Kelvin na lang. Kaya na-cancel out na ni numerator nga 2 liters. Nya naman siya sa denominator po nga 2 liters. Manang 293 Kelvin na to. Final answer for the final temperature. Ana lang ha. Again, you can start with the formula. Imo derive ang unknown. Or you can start with the formula and substitute, then cross multiply, and divide both sides by the quantity beside your unknown, and perform the necessary operations. Don't forget na sa imong final answer, you should have the unit of the quantity. Correct ba? Kelvin ang unit ni temperature? Yes. That's it for this session. I hope you have learned something. The Charles law has something to do with volume and temperature relationship. Tanawan lang ninyo sa problem kung saan naag given. Kung puro sa volume o temperature lang, a relationship of quantities, you will use Charles law. Okay?